Good morning, students. I'm Tushar Gupta, your computer educator, and today we are here to start our new chapter, that is chapter number 10 of class 5. And the chapter name is Evolution of AI. Let's see what are its learning objectives, evolution of AI, turning test, and application areas of the AI. So, artificial intelligence is a science and engineering of making intelligent machines. A word artificial intelligence consists of two words, artificial which means human made, intelligence which means thinking power. So basically artificial intelligence एक साइंस है और इंजीनियरिंग है कि जिससे हम एक इंटेलिजेंट मशीन्स को बना पाए. सो आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस दो वर्ड से मिलकर बनता है. आर्टिफिशियल का मतलब है ह्यूमन मेड और इंटेलिजेंस का मतलब है एक थिंकिंग पावर. These machines have an ability to perform the activities such as the speech recognition, problem solving, decision making, perception, learning and planning. और इन machines के पास में ability होती है perform करने की activity जैसे कि speech recognition, problem solving, decision making, perception, learning and the planning. Next is the evolution of AI. Many people independently started to work on intelligent machines after World War II. One such person was English mathematician Alan Turing. He might have been the first person who gave a lecture on this topic in 1947. Alan Turing designed the famous Turing machine. बहुत से पीपल इंडिपेंडेंटली स्टार्ट किया इंटेलिजेंट मशीन्स पर वर्क करने का वर्ल्ड वॉर सेकेंड के बाद में. एक उनमें से ऐसा पर्सन थे इंग्लिश मैथमेटिशियन जिनका नाम था एलन ट्यूरिंग, और उन्होंने पहला लेक्चर जो दिया इस टॉपिक के बारे में वो दिया 1947 में. ओके, उन्होंने फेमस टुरिंग मशीन बनाई. The purpose of designing the Turing machine was to perform a Turing test. That a Turing test was performed to find out whether a computer has a capability to think like human or not. तो पर्पज जो था डिजाइन करने का ट्यूरिंग मशीन बनाने का वो था कि परफॉर्म एक कर पाए एक ट्यूरिंग टेस्ट. ओके, और ट्यूरिंग टेस्ट जो परफॉर्म हुआ वो फाइंड आउट करने के लिए कि कंप्यूटर के पास कैपेबिलिटी है ह्यूमन के जैसे बिहेव करने की या फिर नहीं है. He also found out that AI was the best researched by programming computers rather than by building machines. और उसने ये भी फाउंड आउट किया जो AI जो था वो बेस्ट रिसर्च हुआ बाय प्रोग्रामिंग कंप्यूटर्स ना कि by building the machines. Later, there were many researchers on AI and most of them were based on their working on programming computers. और बहुत से उसके बाद में रिसर्चर्स हुए जो यूज करते थे प्रोग्रामिंग कंप्यूटर्स को. AI is evolving literally. Like the three other industrial revolutions, we have entered the fourth industrial revolution of the artificial intelligence. So basically, first revolution is the steam power 1784, and second revolution electricity 1870, third revolution 1869 of the IT, and the fourth revolution today is of the artificial intelligence. AI is helping in the emerging technologies such as the robotics, big data, and Internet of Things, and it will continue to act as technological innovator for the foreseeable future. बेसिकली AI जो है वो हमारी हेल्प कर रही है इमर्जिंग टेक्नोलॉजी जैसे कि रोबोटिक्स, बिग डेटा और इंटरनेट ऑफ थिंग्स में यानी कि IoT में, और वो कंटिन्यू करेगी एज ए टेक्नोलॉजिकल इनोवेटर. Now the year innovation, here we have the years and the innovation what we have done in these years. Turing test. Turing test was formed by the Alan Turing to determine whether a computer have artificial intelligence and respond just like humans or not. In this test, there are three terminals used physically separated from each other. One terminal is operated by the computer, other two terminals are operated by the humans. Turing test found out हुआ by the Alan Turing, जिससे कि हम डिटरमाइन कर सकें कि क्या कंप्यूटर के पास भी एक AI है और वो रिस्पॉन्ड जस्ट लाइक ह्यूमन करता है या फिर नहीं. इसके अंदर तीन टर्मिनल्स थे जो फिजिकली सेपरेटेड थे, एक में कंप्यूटर था, एक में, और बाकी दो में मेरे एक ह्यूमन ऑपरेटर्स थे. Let us see how this test was performed. In this test, one human act as a questioner who asks question to the computer and the other human. इस टेस्ट में एक ह्यूमन एक्ट करता है एज अ क्वेश्चनर जो क्वेश्चन आस्क करता है कंप्यूटर और दूसरे ह्यूमन से. कंप्यूटर एंड अदर ह्यूमन एक्ट एज रिस्पोंडेंट, और कंप्यूटर दूसरा ह्यूमन रिस्पोंडेंट की तरह वर्क करता है. द क्वेश्चनर interrogates the respondents in the specific subject area using a specific format. जो क्वेश्चनर होता है वो इंटरोगेट करता है रिस्पोंडेंट से एक स्पेसिफिक सब्जेक्ट एरिया में एक स्पेसिफिक फॉर्मेट को लेकर. After asking the number of questions and getting responses, a questioner decide which responder was a computer and which was a human. So after बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन पूछने के बाद में वो जो क्वेश्चनर था वो रिस्पॉन्डर से एक आइडिया लगाता है या फिर डिसाइड करता है कि कौन सा कंप्यूटर है और कौन सा मेरा ह्यूमन है. If a questioner is failed to determine which is human, which is computer and which is human, it means the computer is considered to have AI. अगर क्वेश्चन फेल्ड हो जाता है कि डिटरमाइन करने के लिए कि कौन सा कंप्यूटर और कौन सा ह्यूमन, तो इसका मतलब है कि कंप्यूटर वो बेसिकली फेल हो गया, यानी कि कंप्यूटर के पास में एआई टेक्नोलॉजी है. Now, application areas of the AI. AI used in various areas like education. In education industry, robots and AI is transformed the teaching learning process. The educational robots are used in schools to teach children. They are also helpful for special children like the children who are diagnosed with some disorders. एजुकेशन इंडस्ट्री में रोबोट्स और एआई जो हैं वो ट्रांसफॉर्मिंग कर रहे हैं मेरे टीचिंग लर्निंग प्रोसेस को. और एजुकेशनल रोबोट्स जो होते हैं वो यूज होते हैं स्कूल्स में जिससे कि टीच कर पाए चिल्ड्रन को और ऐसे बच्चों को भी टीच कर पाए जो बेसिकली मेरे कुछ डिसऑर्डर है उनके अंदर में. ओके, नाउ द एग्जांपल. नाउ इज एन एजुकेशनल ह्यूमनॉइड रोबोट. रूट इज एन एजुकेशनल रोबोट to help the learn coding. ThinkStar is an AI based math learning program which is used to learn the mathematics. Next is robotics. Robots are the machines which are programmed to perform tasks just like the humans. These are intelligent machines which are designed to ease the workload of the humans. They are used to perform tasks such as the moving from one place to another, picking objects, packing things, recognizing things and much more. रोबोट्स एक ऐसी मशीन है जो प्रोग्राम्ड होती है परफॉर्म करने के लिए टास्क बिल्कुल ह्यूमन की तरह. ओके, वो इंटेलिजेंट मशीन और डिजाइन होती हैं कि जिससे कि वर्कलोड का ह्यूमन का वर्कलोड वो ईज कर पाए. ओके, और वो परफॉर्म करती है टास्क जैसे कि मूविंग वन प्लेस टू अनदर, पिक करना ऑब्जेक्ट, पैकिंग करना, रिकॉग्नाइजिंग करना. एग्जांपल्स में एबो एक सीरीज है रोबोटिक डॉग्स की जो डिजाइन हुआ सोनी से. इट हैज सम कैरेक्टरिस्टिक ऑफ अ डॉग लाइक बार्किंग एंड वेगिंग टेल. एबो एक सीरीज है रोबोटिक डॉग्स की जिसने सोनी ने डिजाइन किया और उसकी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक बिल्कुल डॉग की तरह है. Sophia is a social learning robot which can efficiently communicate using a natural language. It also makes facial expression like the smile and or crying face. So Sophia एक social learning robot है जो कम्युनिकेट कर सकती है अलग अलग लैंग्वेजेस में और उसके पास फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन भी हैं like the smile and crying face. Cosmo is a super entertaining robot which plays games, first bump, remember faces and recite the name. कॉज्मो एक सुपर एंटरटेनिंग रोबोट है जो प्ले करता है गेम, फिस्ट करता है बम और रिमेंबर करता है फेस को. नाउ होम. इन प्रेजेंट डेज artificial intelligence widely used at home to ease the work of people. It is used for cleaning the house, entertainment purpose, controlling the smart devices and creates the smart home. More advanced AI systems are even used to perform tasks such as switching on the AC, close or open the door, switch on the music system or for security systems. प्रेजेंट डेज में एआई जो है वो मेरा वाइडली यूज हो रहा है होम में जो भी पीपल्स के द्वारा यूज किया जा रहा है जैसे कि क्लीन करना हाउस को, एंटरटेनमेंट पर्पज, कंट्रोल करना स्मार्ट डिवाइसेस को, सिक्योरिटी पर्पज के लिए. एडवांस एआई सिस्टम से इवन हम एसी को स्विच ऑन कराना, डोर्स को बंद या फिर खोलना और म्यूजिक सिस्टम ऑन ऑफ या फिर सिक्योरिटी सिस्टम के काम आ रहा है. Like the Roomba 980 is a smart home robot which is designed to scan the room size and clean the floors without human assistance. Roomba 980 एक ऐसा स्मार्ट होम रोबोट है जो क्लीन करने के फ्लोर काम आता है केवल एक मैप डालने से. HomePod is a smart speaker developed by Apple to enjoy the music at home. RoboVac 35C is a human home cleaning robot which is designed to vacuum the floors and sucks the dust and dirt to make the floors clean. Digital Assistant. Digital Assistant are the machines with advanced computer programs which are designed to communicate with the users. These machines also perform the tasks like play music, perform calculation, internet searching, setting alarms, setting reminders on the request of the user. Digital Assistant एक ऐसी machines हैं जो एडवांस प्रोग्राम कंप्यूटर प्रोग्राम्स उनके अंदर है जिससे कि वो कम्युनिकेट कर पाए यूजर से लाइक द म्यूजिक प्ले करना, परफॉर्म करना कैलकुलेशंस, इंटरनेट सर्च करना. एग्जाम्पल है इसके अमेजन एलेक्सा, द स्मार्ट डिजिटल मशीन विच इज डिजाइन्ड बाय द अमेजन. Google Assistant is an artificial intelligence powered virtual digital assistant which is developed by the Google. You can use this assistant on your smart devices. Siri is a good example of artificial narrow intelligence. It is a built-in voice control personal assistant available for the Apple users. Now next are the games. AI is also widely used in the video games to enhance the game player experience. Whether you play racing car games like the Need for Speed, strategy game like Civilization or shooting games like Counter Strike, there is always some elements which are controlled by the AI. AI जो है वाइडली यूज होता है वीडियो गेम्स में जिससे कि एनहेंस कर पाए प्लेइंग एक्सपीरियंस को, चाहे वो गेम हुए हमारे एनएफएस स्ट्रेटेजी गेम्स हुए या फिर काउंटर स्ट्राइक हुए, हमेशा ही उसके अंदर एआई होता है. एग्जाम्पल AlphaGo is an AI agent which is specialized to play Go, a Chinese strategy board game against the human competitors. Dark Forest is an AI-based computer program which is developed by Facebook. This game has been tested against a professional human player at 2016 UEC Cup. Deep Blue is a chess playing computer which is developed by the IBM. This was the first computer which has won the chess match against the world-class champion Gary Kasparov. Now the quick backup of the chapter. Artificial intelligence is a science and engineering of making intelligent machines. Many people independently started to work on intelligent machines after the World War II. A Turing test was performed to find out whether a computer has a capability to think like the human or not. A chatbot named the Eliza is created in MIT Internet Artificial Intelligence Laboratory. In education industry, robots and AI is transforming the teaching learning process. AI is widely used at home to ease the work of people. AI is also widely used in video games to enhance the game player experience. So now student, it's the time to test your skills. Fill in the blanks. Turing test was found by the Alan Turing. Abo is a series of robotic dogs designed by the Sony. Okay. Dash is a chess playing computer which is developed by IBM. A Deep Blue. Dash is AI-based math learning program. A Thinkster. Sophia is a social learning robot who can efficiently communicate using the Dash language, natural language. Now, write T for the true and F for the false statement. Basically, Alexa is a smart digital assistant which is designed by the Google. No. RoboVic 35C is the home cleaning robot which is used to vacuum the floors. Yes. Dark Forest AI-based computer program which is developed by the Facebook. Yes. In artificial intelligence, artificial means natural. No. Alan Turing, a computer scientist, first coined the term artificial intelligence. Yes, true. Now tick the correct option. Dash is a AI agent which is specialized to play Go, a Chinese board game. It is AlphaGo. Dash is educational humanoid robot, both A and B, root and now. We have entered to the fourth industrial revolution of the AI. Okay. In Dash, Alan Turing proposed a test for machine intelligence known as the Turing test 1950. Dash is a smart speaker developed by Apple Inc. to enjoy the music at home. It is a HomePod. Okay. Now, next is what is artificial intelligence? So basically, artificial intelligence is a science and engineering of making the intelligent machines. And here, artificial means which is not a natural. Okay, like the human have the natural intelligence. Who was the Alan Turing? Basically, he was the scientist and he developed the AI first time. Okay, he coined the term AI. Alan Turing, a English mathematician. Next is what was the purpose of Turing test? Purpose here in this paragraph it is written that what the purpose of Turing test already described in the class. So you can take a note from here. Okay. Now, what is the use of the AI in the education and the use of AI at home. At home, you can refer this paragraph, okay, and for the education purpose, you can refer this paragraph that now Root and Thinkister are the robot that are use case. Okay, now name a robot which can communicate in the natural language. A Sophia is a robot which can communicate in a natural language. Now, Suman mothers want to buy a robotic vacuum cleaner for her home. From where she can purchase it? Basically, she can purchase from any of online shopping. She can do on like on the Amazon. She can use the Google to find out where it is available. Paritosh Ghosh wants to buy educational robot for his son, which can help him study. Can you suggest a name of education robot which he can purchase for his son? You can use, like, she can use a now, or she can use a basically now, and one more Root was there. Okay, Root and now were the two educational robots, so he can use this one. So thank you, class.